Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
As a governor and concerned Nigerian who love this country so much and wants our democracy to survive, I wish to appeal to Mr. President to, for the sake of the legacy, withdraw Ms. Onochie's nomination to avoid creating more credibility problems for his INEC and restore confidence in our electoral system. Where Mr. President lacks the courage to so do, then the National Assembly, which has the responsibility to defend our democracy, must endeavor to wake up on the right side of history by rejecting her nomination. President Buhari readily attributes his victory in both the 2015 and 2019 coups to the introduction of the novel card reader device by President Lauretta administration. Yet, he has been overtly reluctant on the need to midwife the birth of a new, transparent, efficient, and trustworthy electoral system for the country. Let me therefore warn that we do not need a soothsayer to tell us that to allow the old ways of doing things and much vilified status quo to continue to prevail in the electoral system as recommended by the Senate version of the bill will be a complete disservice to the nation and a recipe for disaster for our country. The APC-led government must step up and be alive to its constitutional responsibility to protect lives and property in all parts of the country, or admit its lack of capacity and resign before the country collapses like a pack of badly managed cars on its hands. Enough of the excuses, ineffective actions, and book passing.